Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the rear wheel bearing on Audi A6 C6. First we'll start by removing the wheel. Next we'll remove the brake caliper and the brake caliper support. The brake caliper support is held by two bolts. We need to remove them. These are the bolts for the brake caliper support. Next we'll remove the bolt for the brake disc and then remove the brake disc. Next we'll remove the bolts for the heat shield and the heat shield itself. So next we're gonna remove the wheel bearing assembly. The wheel bearing assembly is held by four bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two on the bottom, two on top. When we remove the four bolts, the wheel bearing assembly just comes out. If the video is useful, please consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos and maybe give the video a thumbs up. Now we're removing the last bolt, and when we remove the last bolt we can take out the wheel bearing assembly. Thank you for watching.